Infor Factory Track for CloudSuite Industrial helps manufacturers synchronize plant and warehouse activities with their enterprise business processes, eliminate manual tracking errors, and enforce ERP business rules in the warehouse and on the shop floor. Factory Track modules automate time and attendance at work center operations to improve manufacturing, production, and efficiency. The solutions feature full touchscreen control along with barcode scanning for CloudSuite Industrial. Shop floor workers electronically capture job labor and materials. Kanban replenishment is automated. Workers have access to electronic documents and visual production schedules. If the CloudSuite quality module is implemented, QC testing and disposition is also supported. Time and attendance is optional with Factory Track, but when implemented, collects clock in and clock out time transactions for payroll processing. Hours collected may be processed through CloudSuite Industrial Payroll or exported to a third-party payroll solution. Factory Track supports capturing employee time for setup, run, indirect, service, and project transactions, as well as machine runtime. Employees may work individually or collectively in teams, and on a single job or multiple jobs simultaneously. Your system administrator can tailor the shop floor screens to include only those transaction types your company requires. Labor is automatically captured by logging on and off jobs throughout the course of the day, as workers interact with screens by touch or mouse. Workers can scan jobs from barcoded paperwork or start a job from an online dispatch list generated by the production scheduler. Real-time labor collection streams up-to-date information directly to and from the shop floor. When logging off a job, the worker may report completed units, lots and serial numbers, and scrapped pieces, moving the production to the next operation. Drawings and other documents are accessible with a click of a button. Eliminate shop paperwork by viewing drawings online. Work instructions may be viewed electronically from the dashboard. A worker can communicate information back to the production supervisor by adding notes dynamically at the work center. With a device such as a tablet, the worker can take and upload a picture of the product, visually documenting the work that was performed or a problem. Materials may be issued by the warehouse or scanned to jobs from the shop floor, increasing accuracy, particularly when lot and serial tracking. Factory Track shop floor manages your Kanban system electronically. Each Kanban is associated with an item, location, and replenishment cycle. When a Kanban is empty, you can create a replenishment request to be fulfilled from inventory, just-in-time production, purchase order, or transfer order. The supervisor has additional tools at their disposal to take a pulse on production from the miscellaneous menu. The visual dispatch displays detailed information about jobs running through a resource, including the status of operations, materials, and posted transactions. You can quickly see what materials have been issued, how much work has been done, and how much work is remaining on a job-by-job basis. Evaluate work center efficiency to assess productivity at a work center. Efficiency levels indicate how well a work center is keeping up with scheduled production over time. It represents the percentage of production quantities completed, as measured against the quantity scheduled for completion. Warehouse staff will benefit from the convenience of Factory Track warehouse mobility on the shipping docks and warehouse spaces where material resides. It combines reliable barcode scanning technology with convenient mobile device support, accessible through tablet and smart device technologies on a touch-friendly interface. Your system administrator can tailor the screens to include only those transactions your company requires. It offers capabilities for labor tracking as well as every type of material transaction in CloudSuite Industrial. Accelerate material movement, improve put-away, and gain more timely, accurate information about inventory received from suppliers or from other facilities within your organization. Purchase order receiving includes transactions for lot, serial, and quality-controlled items, non-inventory receipts, and items sourced directly to jobs and customer orders. You'll have instant visibility of every piece of material you receive. Flexible shipping options allow you to determine how to pick and ship orders. You can pick from the device or from a pick list, reserve inventory, pack one or combination of orders, and track the contents of packages. You can consolidate multi-step processes with built-in workflow capabilities to enhance all aspects of pick, pack, and ship operations. Streamline cycle counting by eliminating count sheets and increasing the efficiency of your warehouse counters by reducing paperwork and duplicate entry. Scan and count items as you walk the aisles, or use the touchscreen to select items from an electronic list. Quickly find locations in which an item is stored and respective quantities. Inventory can be moved from one location to another or issued to a job in a few simple steps. Every time material moves, that movement can be tracked as it happens. Warehouse mobility comes with built-in features to increase the efficiency of your staff. Any transaction in the system can generate labels automatically. Labels are custom designed using the labeling software of your choice. Supervisors can exchange messages with workers in the warehouse to resolve discrepancies as they arise, such as misplaced items, changed orders, or substitutions. Factory Track is a complete automation suite that covers all areas of manufacturing operations across the warehouse and shop floor. Streamline production, speed inventory operations, and keep labor costs in control with Infor Factory Track for CloudSuite Industrial.